In today's digital age, social media has become a powerful tool for businesses to reach their target audience. And at the forefront of this revolution is influencer marketing. With millions of followers and a strong online presence, influencers have the ability to sway consumer opinions and drive sales like never before. But how can you go from being just another follower to becoming a trendsetter in the world of influencer marketing? This ultimate guide will provide you with all the tips and strategies you need to master this lucrative field. Understand your audience. To be an effective influencer marketer, it is crucial that you understand your target audience inside out. Who are they? What are their interests? What motivates them? By answering these questions, you can tailor your content and messaging in a way that resonates with your audience on a deeper level. Choose the right platform. Different platforms attract different demographics. It's important to choose the right platforms based on where your target audience spends most of their time online. Whether it's Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform, make sure you focus your efforts where it matters most. Build authentic relationships. Authenticity is key in influencer marketing. Instead of simply promoting products or services for monetary gain, focus on building genuine relationships with brands that align with your values and beliefs. This not only enhances credibility but also fosters long-term partnerships that benefit both parties involved. Create high-quality content. Influencers are known for their creativity and ability to create compelling content that engages their followers. Invest time and effort into producing high-quality visuals such as photos or videos that capture attention and tell a story effectively. Get creative with collaborations. Collaborating with other influencers or brands can significantly boost your reach and exposure within your niche market. Explore opportunities for cross-promotion, joint campaigns, or even guest appearances. By leveraging the power of collaboration, you can tap into new audiences and expand your influence. Engage with your audience. One of the most important aspects of influencer marketing is building a community around your brand. Respond to comments, messages, and engage in conversations with your followers. This not only strengthens relationships but also shows that you value their opinions and feedback. Track your performance. To measure the success of your influencer marketing efforts, it's essential to track key performance indicators, KPIs. Whether it's engagement rate, click-through rates, or conversion rates, monitoring these metrics will help you understand what works and what doesn't so that you can refine your strategies accordingly. Provide value. Influencers are successful because they provide value to their audience. Whether it's through educational content, entertainment, or inspiration, make sure every piece of content you create adds value in some way. This will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Stay up to date with trends. The world of social media is constantly evolving. To stay ahead as an influencer marketer, it's crucial to stay up to date with the latest trends in both technology and consumer behavior. Keep an eye on emerging platforms or features that could enhance your reach and adapt quickly to changing preferences within your target audience. Be patient and persistent. Becoming a trendsetter in influencer marketing takes time and persistence. Overnight success is rare, therefore don't get discouraged if results aren't immediate. Stay consistent with creating valuable content while continuously learning from data insights along the way. Conclusion. Mastering influencer marketing requires dedication, creativity, authenticity, and a deep understanding of one's target audience. To stand out from the crowd, you must build authentic relationships, focus on high-quality content, and engage actively with followers. Track performance metrics regularly to refine your strategies and provide value to your audience. By staying up to date with trends and being patient, you can transition from a follower to a trendsetter in the world of influencer marketing. So go ahead, take these tips and start making your mark in this exciting field.